Basangowda Patil Yatnal, a BJP MLA, took action by writing a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In this letter, he expressed his concerns about the Waqf Board's overreach and emphasized the urgent need to nationalize Waqf assets. Yatnal argued that these properties should be utilized for productive purposes such as building hospitals, schools and research centers accessible to all regardless of caste or creed. He pointed out troubling examples like the Virakta Mutt in Sindhi, where property donated centuries ago is now claimed by the Waqf. Despite the board's relatively recent establishment, his letter called for reforming existing laws to protect citizens' rights and promote fairness. Through his advocacy, Yatnal aims to create transparency and prevent the concentration of land ownership, noting that the Waqf currently ranks as one of the largest landholders in India. His efforts highlight a broader push for justice and accountability in managing these assets to ensure they benefit society as whole. When questioned by the media about Yatnal's letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, D.K. Shivkumar denied to comment on the matter.
Basangowda Patil Yatnal has written a letter to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi saying Waqf property should be nationalized.
I don't want to speak anything on people who are mad, who has to be hospitalized, whose brain has to be cleared. Mentally they have to get it.